Hi everybody, today we're going to go over 3 exercises to deal with pesky chronic hamstrings. So either you've experienced a previous tear or potentially an ACL repair where they used some of the hamstring to help reconstruct the ACL, and or if you've just had lots of nagging tension in there from repetitive use, running, things like that. So first off, we're going to go and use a lacrosse ball. You can either use a tennis ball or baseball to get under there. So we're going to start off at the sit bone for where the attachment of the hamstring is. We're going to sit nice and tall, creating more tension in the posterior chain and straightening the leg out to help pull and add some extra pressure. Move it around the hamstring to isolate the area that bothers you more. So really play around all the way. You can add a little bit of added pressure with the hands, making sure you can add some dorsiflexion and toe extension to create more tension throughout the back of the leg.
All right, exercise number 2. We're going to get to the wall. We're going to get into a 90-degree position at the hip and the knee. And this is a more postural isometric exercise where we're really focusing on core engagement, position of the pelvis, and including that engagement in the hamstring to get an isometric contraction in there to get things started and help reduce pain and stiffness in that area. So what we're going to do, we're going to place a ball or a foam roller in between the knees. And what we're going to do, relax our arms by the sides. We're going to make sure that we have our tripod, so the base of the big toe, little toe, and heel onto the wall. And then we're going to create a little bit of tension pulling down towards the ground to engage the hamstrings. We're adding a little bit of pressure into the ball or foam roller, and we're making sure that we have a little bit of engagement in posterior pelvic tilt, which is going to engage the hamstrings further. And we're making sure that we're breathing throughout the core in a 360 degree where we're breathing into the front, out, and back of the rib cage. All as we, again, are the main focus, pulling the feet down towards the ground to get hamstring engagement. And we can hold this for 30 to 60 seconds. And you can start really feeling the hamstrings engage and start to tighten and strengthen.
All right, for the third exercise, we're going to get into a dynamic hamstring bridge exercise. We're going to want a foam roller. As for these last 2 exercises in these videos, this is going to be something I learned from Ian Markow. Markow Training's been very helpful in my practice and helping hamstring rehab. So we're going to get into the position on our backs. We're going to start off a little bit further away than a regular glute bridge to help isolate the hamstring. And we're going to come up, and we're just going to be rocking back and forth onto the foam roller. Nice and controlled, making sure that we have the lower core engaged, the upper hamstring and glutes stabilizing the pelvis, and doing this for 30 to 60 seconds. Give it a try. Let us know what you think.